All right, so pre-algebra, we're doing lesson 43. And 43, sorry, 43 we're doing surface area. So surface area is kind of like what yesterday when we did volume. Remember when we did volume, how do we do volume? What do we multiply to do volume? Say the volume of a cube.
Base and height.
Height.
We figured out what the area of the base was and we multiply it times the height, right?
Yep.
All right. Now surface area is a little bit different. When we talk about surface area, we're talking about the outside area of the shape. We're talking about the outside area of the shape. If we were talking about the surface area of this room, we'd be finding the area of the floor, the area of the ceiling, and the area of all the walls, and adding them all together. So surface area is a little bit different when we try to find out a shape. So for example, if I needed to find the surface area, oh, that did not draw straight at all. If I wanted to find the surface area of this shape, which I am attempting to draw right now. If I wanted to find the surface area of this shape, I could. Let's give you some basic measurements so we can figure this out. If this is 8 inches, and this is 12 inches, that's the height, and this is 3 inches, I could find the surface area of this entire shape. Okay? But it requires us to figure out some basic information. On this box-like shape, this rectangular prism, the top is going to be the same as the bottom. So the top is 8 inches long, and how wide is it? 3 inches. So what is 8 times 3?
24.
Okay, so that the top is 24. That means the bottom is also going to be 24 square inches. The sides, it has 2 sides, right? It's 2 sides. It is 12 inches long and 3 inches wide. What is that?
Staple.
36. So this is 36. So both sides are 36 each. The front is 8 inches long. I'm going to cross that out so I don't get confusing. The front is 8 inches wide, and it is 12 inches high. What is 12 times 8?
It is
96.
12 times 8 is 96?
Or is it
Is it?
108?
No, 96. Front is 96, that means the back is 96, right? Because it has 6 sides, including the ones that we can't see. Make sense? All right, what is the surface area? All right, so let's add it all up. These two make 48. These two make 72. And these two make, you know what 96 plus 96 is? 192. Add those 3 numbers up, 48, 72, and 192. What do you get? Dum-dum on the line.
$312
312 what?
inches.
Squared.
Okay, it's 312 square inches. Missed. Not dum-dum. Took 0. 312 square inches. Make sense? All right, let's do one more. And you're doing not complicated surface area. It eventually will get complicated, but for you guys, right now, where you're starting, not too bad. Here's the front. Oops, made that too long. So okay, so another rectangular prism. This one's a little bit different. This is 9 inches This is 5 inches. And this is 4 inches. All right, so let's figure out the front now. The front is 9 times 5, because it's 9 long, 5, sorry, I said that wrong. 9 long, 4 high, because I got to do the front. I'm doing this piece, I said it wrong. What's 9 times 4?
45.
No.
9 times 4? 36.
36. 36 is the front, that means the back is 36. The top is 9 times 5.
45.
Okay, so the top is 45, it means the bottom is 45. The sides are 5 times 4,
20.
so that's 20 and 20. Add them all up. Tootsie roll on the line. And tell me the correct labeling.
Two inches squared.
202 inches squared.
202.
Yeah, 202.
202?
202 inches
202?
squared.
Yeah, she said it first off. Now let's try one more part, same problem. What is the lateral surface area of this problem? What is the front, side of this problem? And there's an easier way to do it. Let me tell you how to do it first, and then you tell me what it is, okay? So we're not worried about the top and bottom, we're just worried about the middle, okay? Lateral surface area, find the perimeter of the base and multiply that by the height. The height is 4. Find me the perimeter of the base and multiply that by 4. Tell me the lateral surface area.
Divide 202 by 4.
No, what is the perimeter of the base? It's 9 and 9, 5 and 5. Figure that out. Find the perimeter of the base, multiply it by the height, tootsie roll on the line. Tootsie roll sucker on the line. Little one.
Is it 45?
45 is part of it.
Is it 52 inches squared?
Nope. We are figuring out the perimeter of the bottom. So what, the bottom looks like a rectangle. It is 9 and 5. Perimeter means we add up all the sides.
Oh,
Find the perimeter of the bottom and multiply it by how tall this shape is, which is 4.
okay.
112
112,
Inches squared.
I'll give you both of them now, square inches. You get one too, you caught it.
On the number and then.
All right, so the lateral surface area of a shape for lateral surface area, you just did the problem. We are only concerned with the middle. We are not concerned with the top or, I need another D there. We're only concerned with the middle. We are not concerned with the top and we are not concerned with the bottom of that shape. We're only concerned with the middle. So to do the lateral surface area of a shape, we find the perimeter of the base and we multiply it by the height of the shape. That tells us the entire middle. It just does not tell us the top or the bottom. All right, so if you're ever told to find the lateral surface area of a shape, you find the perimeter of the base, the perimeter of the bottom, and you multiply it by the height. Okay, so in this case, we did 9 and 9 is 18, 5 and 5 is 10, that's 28. 28 times 4 gave us the magic number of 112 square inches. Okay? One final thing. One final thing. What if we have a cube? What if we have a cube? I'm not even telling you the cube. Each side is 4.9 inches. Estimate the surface area of that cube. Okay, let's estimate the surface area of the cube. How many sides does the cube have?
6.
And a cube means all the sides are the
Same.
6. So we're going to estimate. So instead of 4.9 inches, we're going to use the number
5.
5 because that's closer, right? All sides are the same. So what is the area of the front of that cube? 25. 25 square inches, right? Since all sides are the same, how many sides does the cube have?
6.
What's 25 times 6? No Tootsie Roll in line in this one. What's 25 times?
130?
Close.
120.
Too high. Sorry, I said
140,
too high.
140.
I'm sorry, I said too high. 150 was correct. I don't know why I said that. So 150 square inches. It's live, so these are warts and all, mistakes and everything. So 150 square inches. I don't know why I said too high. I was thinking times 5, not times 6. 6 sides to a cube, right? So whatever when you find the area of one side, all you gotta do is multiply it by 6 for the total surface area. All right, so in review, going backtrack, lateral surface area is the perimeter of the base times the
Right.
height. All right, so in this case, in this problem that we did, we added up the bottom, all the sides to the bottom, and multiplied it by how tall this shape was, which is 4. For total surface area of the shape, we found the area of the top and the bottom, because they're the same, area of the sides, because they're the same, area of the front and the back, because they are the same. Added everything up to get square inches of that one, which happens to be 312 square inches. Questions?